Let's see how to print double-sided in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to print this document. Now click on the File tab. Right here, click on Print, and you should be able to see the preview for your document right here. Now let's say that we want to print our document as a double-sided document, which means that we will be printing in the front and at the back of the paper. And you can set that option right here. So usually it is set to print one-sided. However, when you click this list, you should be able to see that the option to manually print on both sides. And when you do that, you'll notice that you have to reinsert your paper into the printer for it to be able to print your document on both sides of the paper. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.